Writing topic number 1, using Mitford's model by Dwen, Carter, Drew, Bell, Emily, and Cassidy. Our barbaric process we chose was cannibalism, and in our essay we included the use of satire, chronological process, and then our attitude towards our topic.
Makes fun of something the author thinks is stupid or immoral. That's what a vice is. By imitating it or sarcastically pretending to agree with it. It's a kind of code. It's irony. You're saying one thing, but meaning the opposite. For example, if at the holidays you said to your parents, "No, I really like riding 5 hours in the backseat to eat dinner with people with whom I have absolutely nothing in common." Well, that's just sarcasm, and most teenagers know all about sarcasm.
So here's the activity, and the question says, based on the video, what does satire accomplish? So the first one is compares and contrasts two situations. Second one is persuades the reader. Third one is tells a story. And the fourth one is makes fun of or criticizes something stupid or immoral. And the correct answer here is number 4.
So when writing your introduction for this type of essay, you're going to use a hook and use background information just like you would when writing a normal essay. The difference with this is you're going to use a serious and sarcastic tone. You're going to try to mix them and keep it ongoing, and then you're going to finish with your thesis like you would normally.
Use of satire in paragraph 2 emphasizes how mental health is a difficult topic, so it's often glossed over, and people will do anything but actually talk about the real issue due to the stigma on mental illness. So by pushing for cannibalism, we're just highlighting that, and these examples of famous cannibalists just support that. In paragraph 3, we connected how mental health leads to cannibalism, and I used sarcasm in it, saying that human flesh will magically solve their the cannibals' issues, and it lets them think that they'll acquire supernatural powers, and that's mental health. The negative mental diseases causes them to think so.
In the 5th and 6th paragraphs, we see more examples of satire, which are on the slide now. And the purpose of these examples is to use cannibalism as a solution to mental health, which obviously wouldn't work. And these paragraphs as a whole continue to use satire by advocating for the legalization of cannibalism.
So in paragraph 7, we're using sarcasm again, and it emphasizes that legalizing cannibalism is absurd. Obviously, eating other people is immoral and disrespectful to the dead. We want to bring attention to the idea that mental illness is a serious problem that can lead to the mindset that eating human meat is desirable. We cannot eliminate serial killers either, being that no one knows who or what has the capability or mindset of killing another person.
Lastly, with the conclusion, we summarize the process that we've demonstrated before, again using a satirical tone here, and we establish a solution by changing the way that cannibalism is perceived. Then the negative connotations along with that suddenly disappear.
So here's our works cited, and thank you guys for watching.